You're such a dream to me.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Jessica B here, and today we have a little DIY going on. So today we're going to be doing the lace up jeans, the trendy jeans that you've seen all over Instagram, but they are by the creator Samaria Leah. I think that's how you say her name. If I am wrong, then please correct me. But I've been seeing these all over Instagram and I fell in love with them, so I had to try them out myself. So for this project, you will need some string, some jump rings, some scissors, and I'm not sewing anything today. I'm using a hot glue gun and 2 pieces of extra jean just to lace your string through. It could be any different color you want, doesn't matter. Whatever you want to do with these jeans, that's how you do it. But the most important things are the strings and the jump rings. You have to have those. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my extra jean piece and I'm going to measure where I want it to start and stop. And on the original jeans, like her original creation, they kind of go under the butt a little bit, so you want to make sure that you kind of stop it right there, just to kind of hide the where it ends, so it's a little more seamless, you know. So I'm just measuring those extra straps. I'm almost positive that she uses Levi jeans for her creations, but these jeans are Lee and they were thrifted. So if you don't have a pair of like mom jeans, Levi mom jeans, you can definitely go to any thrift store and find some. They have them like all day long. Definitely don't have to be mom jeans. They don't even have to be skinny jeans. You can do whatever style jeans you want, flare leg, boot cut, boyfriend, whatever it is, the look that you're going for, then you can definitely do that. However, I like the mom jean look. I think it's just really cute. Okay, so now I'm about to start placing my jump rings wherever I need them to go, and I'm also going to mark where I placed them so I remember. I originally did not even have jump rings. I went to one store that I could get to and I couldn't find any, so I had to cut them off of a belt that I already had, which is crazy, but it worked. That's why my jump rings are so small, because I couldn't find any in the store, so I had to use what I already had. So I had to take the belt apart, take the jump rings out, and then reuse it. But you know, it's all good. I didn't even have to spend money. I had some in the house, so it's fine. So right here, I'm taking scissors and I'm just punching a hole in the jeans where I want my jump rings to go. Now y'all, putting these jump rings in this jean was not as easy as I thought it was gonna be, because first of all, I had to make sure the hole was big enough. I had to squeeze the jump rings through the holes. It was not easy. And I'm also like 100% sure that jump rings come separate, like the back piece and the top piece, they come separate. So you just put the top piece on and then you clamp the bottom piece. See, I had to deconstruct the belt to get my jump rings, so I had to work with mine already put together. Some might say that is a little easier. I really don't know. I've never worked with jump rings, but I do know that my first experience was difficult. Like I said, I'm not sewing anything down, so I'm just going to use my glue gun to glue down that strip of jean. It lasted through a wash cycle, so I don't know how many more wash cycles it'll last through, but I mean, I could always go back and sew it. I was just really not in the mood to sew anything down. I was just ready to get these jeans done, but it worked for me and it's still intact, so. That I have all of that together, the last thing to do is string the pants up. The string I'm using is from Dollar General. I actually had to twist like a couple pieces of string together to get it this thick, but I think I paid like $2 for the string from Dollar General, like I said, so it was really inexpensive. So yeah, I'm just gonna lace up the jeans, and literally that is all I did. So for this project, all you're gonna need is a pair of mom jeans or whatever kind of jeans that you like to wear, some strings, some jump rings, and some extra pieces of jean. And literally that's it. Like, this is not like a task. I mean, of course, if you're impatient, then it's not gonna work for you, but if you just have a little bit of patience and, you know what I'm saying, you really want this to work, it's gonna happen.
You're such a dream to me.